Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So into this video I'm going to be explaining how the soccer bot works into parts. First the expansion and the servo. So basically how this works is, as you can see, the expansion here, we have 6 different pins that we are connecting to the servo. Well, actually 2 servos, and you can see here there's an enable pin and an input pin and an in. What the enable pin does is gives power to the output 1 and 2 pin. Output 1 and output 2. Enable 2 gives output 3 and output 4 power. That basically how it works. And the input pins are the one is the pins that gives voltage to the output pins to tell the servo to turn. And the 5 voltage, the 12 voltage, and the GND here are powered all by the battery here. So basically the battery gives power to the expansion. The expansion takes it and stores it here, and the expansions gives power to the pins. Then finally the pins tells the expansion whether to go to the output or input. Whenever it needs to turn on the output, gives voltage to the output or not. That's basically it. And as we can see, we have a reservoir here. The actual thing looks like this. There's the plus and minus and the pins here. We're making our robot with microbit, so we're using my code here. It's very simple. The code looks like this. I'll later show you how it turns, but basically you can see here, if the current from our front side is plus and the back side is minus, it's gonna turn like this. And this is basically just in or in 4. This pin 4. In 4 is giving 4 voltage to the motor, and it's in digit, and in our make code it writes 1 like this. And as you can see, on the second line of the code, digital write pin is giving off 0 here. So this is in 3. And what this does is gives the power to the motor to turn left. And we can also do the opposite. We can turn the motor on the other side.
Omar, kirim videonya di mana, Mar? WA ya?
Like this.
Ya, Omar,
And as you
kirim
can
WA.
see, the robot is gonna turn on the other side. This is how the logic works with the pins, and it works like this for the right and the left side of the servo. So if you want to turn the servo right or left, we use the digital right pin to tell pin 0, which is in 4, to turn on, and the pin 3 to off, so it turns right, and the other way around. And This works for the pin 2 and 1 also for the other side of the servo. And that's basically it for the servo, and I'll show you how we control the robot with MakeCode. And as you can see, I haven't logged into my MakeCode here, but basically we use the cardboard robots website to control the actual soccer bot, and we use the Bluetooth from Microbit V2 that gives off the actual signal to MakeCode to turn and give commands whether to turn left, or other, or backwards or forward, like that. And this is the code. I have it here. This is very simple. As you can see, we use the Bluetooth the Bluetooth extension on Microbit, and then set a string to the so we can store the value of the Bluetooth that the Bluetooth is giving us from cardboard box or cardboard robots. Yeah, I mean that. And maybe if we press up here, it will in the actual code we will receive up from the Bluetooth, and then turn on digital pin 1, and then turn off digital pin 0, and then pin 1 is gonna be off. So this is going forward. Basically both of the robots are going forward, both of the wheels, with the servos that turns them, and then the backwards are basically opposite. This is just binary, if you understand it. And as you can see, this goes for everything. You just need some logics, some logic gates and stuff to make our logic work and be able to go left, right, or look backwards or stop. And this works properly with our robots, our robot. And if you understand everything from this Figma here, you will be able to actually make your own robot with Arduino, or even just make with extension. But in Arduino, you're gonna be using if then, if else, and of course you're gonna be using you're also gonna be using, what's the name, else, digital right pin. And that's all for my explanation of my soccer bot. My name is Yani Parisipatyudin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Udah ketek semuanya. Masuk semuanya. Masuk ke semuanya.
Ini apa namanya?
Oke.
Kita lagi lomba.
Oke. 1, 2, 3.
Ya awal. Coba.
Connect ya.
Jadi kamu kita jadi.
Berembun kak kameranya.
Kamu. Ayo bring deh.
Kak, berembun. Kayak gini. Yang nggak berembun telefotonya. Telefoto yang nggak berembun.
Gini. Oke, 1-0. Balik tempat. Bisa nggak? Mau 1-0 atau sampai 2? 2. Oke, balik tempat. Balik tempat. Satu lagi. Oke. 1, 2, 3. Satu ke tengah, satu. Satu ke kanan, satu. Sama kita itu. Mana kita? Maju. Oke. Nah, ayo, Batik. Oke. Nah. Oke.